Today, I'm really excited to share that I'm launching a free Netflix clone SwiftUI course, and I want to show you exactly what we will be building together. As you can see by the screenshots, this is the home screen of the Netflix clone app. We will also create a professional layout that includes a login screen, and also other screens such as categories that includes movie images and sliders. This is just a sneak peek of what we will be learning in the course, including how to use SwiftUI for building smooth custom navigation bars and tab items with interactive UI components. This course is perfect for beginners who want to dive into SwiftUI without getting bogged down by complicated back-end work. All you need is Xcode and a passion for learning to start creating your own Netflix-style app. The course is free and will be available on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025. How to enroll? You simply just submit your name and email address on my website. The link is in the description. Also, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when the course goes live, and stay tuned for more awesome tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.